This is our bestseller, Orgasm. Girl, it make you want to have orgasm. I just said that. But listen, if you want to know what products you need to start your own lip gloss line, tune in the video.
No comparison. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening?
I'm Shantel White, and I'm the CEO of Boujeebestiesbeauty. So if you clicked on this video, then make sure that you like, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell to keep watching videos as I upload them. I decided that I'm going to start a business series so I can help my other boss babes to figure out where to get their products, what to do. I'm a wholesaler, so you can check out my website if you want to, just skip all the steps. You don't want to make it, you ain't got time for it, girl, I feel you. Let me do that for you, okay? I'm very clean. I wear a mask, gloves, sanitize, disinfect everything. We're in a pandemic. So, we don't play about our face. So, we got to make sure everything is clean and, quality A1. Amazing. I can even show you some of my quality in my lip gloss right now. Look at that. Look at that. She just bought that matte lipstick alive, didn't it? Orgasm. Smells so good. Smells like passion fruit. But yeah, besides that, let's get into this video right now. So, you want to start your own business and you want to make your own gloss. You don't, you can use me, but girl, you want to do it yourself. That's fine. Girl, I'm about to tell you how. First thing you can do is get you some lip gloss base. Step 1, lip gloss base. Lip gloss base is very important. I done seen so many videos of people try to use Vaseline. I done seen where they didn't use aloe vera or something. We don't know that. No. Get you some lip gloss base so that your lips can look like this. See that? You want your lip gloss to be, the consistency to be not too thick, not too thin, but you want it to be just right where a little bit goes a long way. Like, you don't want it to keep on applying this thin. It smell weird. Like, we don't want that, okay? Over this channel, we don't play that. We top quality, high quality items for our customers and your future customers, okay? First step, get you some base. Where can you get your base from, you ask? TKB Trading. I'm going to post the link down below. That's where I started at. I went on their website, and I think I paid about $7 for, I think it was like a 3.5 ounce. I have to double check. I probably posted like a screenshot or something above so I can remember. You use that. The quality, amazing. I never had an issue with my customers breaking out or anything like that. I've never had an issue with my customers breaking out. I've shipped over 670 orders as of yesterday and counting. And no issue with none of the base. So it's really good base. The second thing, you need to be able to color your base. I mean, you can do clear glosses. A lot of people like clear glosses. Personally, I love clear gloss. Like, I always have a clear gloss in my bag. But if you don't want clear gloss, if you want to switch it up a little bit, you can use pigments. You need mica pigments. Those work very well. You can also use liquid pigments. It comes in 2 types. You can either do a liquid, which I love liquids also, or you can do a powder base. Let me show y'all an example of one of the powder ones that I use. Let's get a bright color so y'all can see it. Here. This is a pigment that I use, and it's like a powder. See what's the inside of it? It's a powder, and this is all natural. All natural. It's made from the earth. And, it's all natural. And so you put that with your base. You got your base. You need your pigment. You can also get your pigment in liquid form as well. I found that liquids, they pigment more, if that makes sense. What I mean by that is they show up more on your lips. Because a lot of the micas don't really show on your lips like that. Like, so it'll have like a clear tint. So if that's the look you're going for, most of my customers go for that. They don't really like color too much on their lips unless they go on like full bang out like me. But yeah, you get you a mica. You got your base 1, mica 2, your oils. It's so many different types of oils that you can use. It's really nourishing. Coconut oil is 1. Very good product. You can use almond oil. You can use olive oil. I heard people using, I use castor oil. And the reason why I like castor oil because it gives it, look at the shine. It gives it that shine. Like, you want to walk in a room and everybody notice. Like, wow, she gorgeous. Like, where'd she get her lip gloss from? That's what you want. You know, you don't want to walk in a room and nobody even know you got lip gloss on. That's not the point. The point is to be popping, period. Okay? See that? See how shiny it is? I use castor oil in mine because it gives it that shine, you know, that, and it's so nourishing for the lips. Like, if you have cracked lips, dry lips, you know, sometimes you get, you know, a little dry, especially in the winter. Get a little dry part, girl. No. Get you some castor oil. I use castor oil. I use coconut oil. You can use almond oil. It's so many different types of oil. They got sunflower oil. Like, just, you know, you can go on Amazon and get all these products. And if you're a Prime member, it comes in like 1 to 2 days. Girl, the bomb. Okay, I love Amazon. I'm a Prime member, so I get a lot of my stuff really, really fast. You can even go to the market, I think, your local grocery store to get a lot of these oils, like coconut oil. I do know that. Yeah, so you got your oil, you got your lip gloss base one, you have your oils, you have your pigments. You can also use lakes and dyes. I'll do a separate video about that. That's if you want it to be pigmented, like if you want it to show up on your lip. I'll do a separate video for that because some of my glosses are pigmented. And then the next thing you need is you need to smell. Like, you know, you want a flavor, you want to taste. Like, you don't want no lip gloss to smell like nothing. You know, you want it to have that smell. Like, I'm known for my lip glosses smelling amazing. Like, when they open, you can smell it before you even open the bag. Like, before you open your package, you'll be like, oh my God, that smells amazing. That's what I'm known for. That's why, you know, I'm so successful at what I'm doing. That's why so many people wholesale through me, because my quality is A1. And, you know, I've researched and I've worked out the perfect ingredient, the perfect everything. And it took a lot of time to do that. It wasn't something I just jumped into. That makes sense? You know, I had to research. I had to experiment, you know, money than a trade. You know how many bases and, ooh, the thought. Just like, since shit was done my heart. But that is near there. That is the past because we into the future now, sis. And, you know, we got the ingredients. We got it right. So if you need, like I said, you need a vendor, hit your girl up. But if you want to do it yourself, it's fine. You just have to make sure you test out a batch. You know, don't sell nothing without testing it out first. You know, and don't use it all. Like, don't be like me. Don't be like this girl right here who took the bowl and pulled it all in there and wasted a whole bowl of product. Don't do that. Take a little bit and then put them in individual bowls and sample them. Hit you with another tip. Just take a little bit and then, you know, try it out first to see what works, what consistency do you like. Because some people like their gloss more thicker, some people like it thinner. You know, you got to figure that out. That's something you can figure out. I can't really figure it out for you because you're doing it yourself. But if you wholesale through me, then I got you. But, you know, if you're doing it through yourself, cool. I mean, we can always talk about it. I'm cool with that. But, yeah, so you got your base, your oils, your pigments. You got your flavoring. Flavoring is very important. Like, you know, you have to use a flavoring oil that is, some people use essential oils, but it has to be therapeutic grade. Don't use the other one. She experimented on that as well. Do not do that. I use some, I think I just went on Amazon. I bought, because I watched the video and it was like, just use essential oil. So I was like, oh, bet. And I went on there and found some real, like, you know, smelling good. I think it was like eucalyptic or something like that. It was like really therapeutic or whatever. And I went on there and bought a sample and it had like orange, like 4 of them. It was super cheap too, like $6. And I went on there and I used it. And let me tell you, thank God I didn't sell it. I was just, you know, starting out. I was just testing out stuff. And I put it on my lips. And my lip was on fire. My lip was burning so bad. I was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Like my lips was killing me and I had to hurry to take it off. And I said, what did I do wrong? And I kept on thinking, oh my God, I watch people do videos and they stuff don't be burning. Because I know people ain't going to buy a product that burns. So I'm like, what did I do wrong? And then I realized that I didn't buy the correct type of essential oil. Therapeutic grade. Do not use the other one. The other one, I forgot what it's called, but don't use that one. Because that's the one that's going to burn your lips. And it's going to hurt. And your customers going to hate you. I'm just kidding. They're not going to hate you. But they might be mad. You know, they might try to sue you or something. I don't know. And we ain't got no coin for that. Okay? Period. So, make sure you use therapeutic grade essential oil if you're going to use that. And I love essential oil because it smells really good. Another thing you use is food flavoring oil. I told you I'm hitting you with this knowledge. Food flavoring oils are amazing. Let me show you some. I can show y'all actually one that I use, which I love the way it smells. So yeah, you want to get you some food flavoring oil from L'Oreal. It's called L'Oreal Oils. This is nothing. I started out using these ones. This is the coconut flavor one. But yeah, you can find them on I think Amazon. I think I've seen them on like Amazon, and it comes like in different packs. They have like a variety pack. Super affordable, super cheap, sis. Like, you ain't gotta be out here spending all that coin. Super cheap, and a little goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. You use a dropper. A little bit goes a long way. It smells so good, you know. And I personally, here's another little gem I'm about to get y'all. I personally sometimes I add like a little bit of the L'Oreal. I mix it. Sometimes I mix two flavors sometimes. So it gives it that extra pop, you know, because you want it to be, you know, amazing. So you need your flavoring oil is very important. You need gloves, definitely. Do not make people product with no gloves. Like, that's dirty. We don't play that. You need sanitizer. You need disinfectant. You need to wipe down your surfaces. You need to make sure that you're cleaning your bowls, you know, in hot water, soap. You know, you want to make sure you can use paper bowls. I started out using paper bowls. I use plastic now, but I start with paper because that way, you know, you don't got to do dishes. Like, you ain't got to waste a bunch of stuff. Nobody got time for all that. We're not doing all that. No, we're not. So we start with paper bowl because you're testing out your product. You're making it your own. That's what I want you to do. I want you to make it your own. I want you to think, you know, what can I add to this? What can I do to this to make it popping? What can I do to this to make it where people going to want to buy it? People going to love the quality. They're going to love the smell. You know, make it with you in mind. Like, would you sell somebody something that's watered? No, you wouldn't. Would you sell somebody something that stank? No, you wouldn't do that either. So you want to make sure that, you know, you giving them top A1 quality. I want you to treat them like they're the president. I want you to treat them like you like a celebrity, okay? These are your customers. These are the people that's paying your bills, sis. These are the people, you respect your customers. We love our customers. We treat them right. And even if they're wrong, they right, in my book. I know a lot of people probably don't agree with that, but that's the truth. Customer service is everything, okay? Even if, and you know, you'll get some customers that do too much, okay? Because I have customers that do too much. I might do a story time about that because, Lord, the stuff that I see. But at the end of the day, I love my customers. I respect them because they trust me. And trust is something that you always got to build in your brand. So you got your base. You know, when you got you some oils. You know what, you got you a mica powder, or, you know, your pigment. You can even do a liquid, or you can use the powdered one like I showed you. You got your pigment, you got you some flavoring oil, you can use essential oil as well. But remember, therapeutic grade. Do not do the other one. Do not be like somebody who did that and almost burnt their face off. Like, we don't want that to happen to your customers. Because then you can come back and talk about, Shantel, you said to use therapeutic grade. What happened? Like, no, we're not doing that at all. No, Shantel did not. Shantel said, use therapeutic grade. I did not say use the other grade. And I'm not taking the blame for it. So your customers will thank me. Use therapeutic grade. And then lastly, you got you a bowl. You got to get you a spoon. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Make sure you're wearing a face mask as well. Make sure your hair, you know, hair, like, you know, hair. Make sure you put your hairnet. I wear hairnet as well. Hairnet, make sure you pulling back everything from your face, no jewelry. You know, you want to make sure it's clean as possible. Your environment has to be clean. It has to be sanitized. It has to be a clean environment. Make sure the room, the area that you're in is clean. You know, you want to, like, make sure it's on point. You don't want to be dropping hair and people's stuff. You don't want to do some little nasty stuff like that, because a lot of people do, you know, they don't wear gloves and they're like kind of nasty. But, you know, we don't do that. In this channel, we don't do that. And see, my bougie besties, you my bougie bestie now. Who you? Yes, you. We don't play that. We love our customers, and we treat our customers with respect, period, okay? We treat each other with respect, period, over here. So we want to make sure, you know, that you cleaning your stuff. You got your bowl, you got you a spoon, then you mixing all your ingredients together, and, you know, you testing it out, and you got to get you some tubes. You're going to need tubes. You can use squeeze tubes. You can use a wand tube, which I can show you one of my wands. Okay, so this is a squeeze tube. I wholesale these tubes also. They are 50 cents each. If anybody looking for them. And then you got a wand too. Let me see. I got so many different types of wands. let's see, here's another wand. This is a wand tube, and see the difference is, so with the wand tube, it opens like this, and it has an applicator. That's the difference. A wand. I wholesale wands too for $1 each. If you're looking for that, basically, if you're looking for that too. I also do base. If you need some base, and I even add oil to it. If anybody looking for a pre-oil base, so that you know your stuff is A1, you know your quality, because maybe you don't know how much to add in there, how much oil to add in there. Your girl didn't research, okay? She didn't do the science of it, so you know she know what she's doing, and she is, like I said, I done shipped 670 plus orders, and I'm still counting. You can follow me on Instagram and see all my reviews and stuff. People love my products, so you know, yeah, I can do that also, because you can get all the products from off my website. I even have syringe. That's on. I forgot that syringe. You're gonna need a syringe, definitely. You cannot do. No, I'm trying to see if I got an empty one around here, because I packed up everything. Because I sanitize my work area, so I put everything away and I clean up my area every weekend, just to make sure everything stays fresh and clean. So I may not got a syringe to show y'all, but yeah, a 60 millimeter syringe is the big one. That's what you need. You need that. That's what you're going to use to fill your tubes up. I think I'm going to make a separate video of, I'm going to show you how to do it as well, but I'm just trying to get, so y'all can get the products together, so maybe y'all can just follow me in the video and we can all do it together. So yeah, you need your syringes. That's very important. Trying to think, if I forget anything else. Your syringes. So you got your base, you got your oils, you got your base oils, your flavoring, you got your micro powder. Okay, so you got that mixed together. You got your bowl, you got your spoons, you got your gloves, you sanitize your area, you make sure everything is clean, you got your hairnet on, your face mask on, everything's clean. You got, what else? Okay, so you got your syringe, because you're going to fill your gloss inside your syringe, and then you're going to, you got your tubes. You can use different types of tubes, like you can do wand tubes, you can do all different types of tubes, because I have lots of different types of tubes, and I also have different types of lashes as well, guys. If anybody looking for different types of lashes, like I have all kinds of lashes. And I'm trying to see if I can find it to show you. And different types of glosses too. Yeah, but like I said, you're gonna put them in the tubes. Like I can show you. Like these are some of my Christmas glosses. Isn't this cute? This is Christmas tree. Isn't it cute? This is Candy Cane Cutie. Santa Baby. This is gingerbread. Smell like gingerbread cookies. Girl, it smells amazing. This is hot cocoa and marshmallows. Yeah, so yeah, this is what it's gonna look like once you finish filling it up. So you use your syringe, and you take the syringe and you fill it up, and then you it comes into 3 parts, your tubes, and it comes with an applicator part, and it comes with a cap atop. So yeah, that's what you use to be able to, you know, fill your stuff up. And then there you go. And then you want to, you know, fill your stuff off, and then you want to, you know, sanitize them down. You can give them a bubble bath. I give my stuff a bubble bath. I tell my customers to give them a bubble bath as well, because the oil sometimes from it gets on the outside. It's really hard to get that off. So I have people giving a bubble bath when they come. So yeah, that's what you're going to do, and that's how you want to, you know, start making your lip glosses. And if you need any products, if you have any questions, please put the comments down below. I'll answer them, you know, and let's get this started. I'm so excited for you to join the beauty industry, because it's so fun, and you know, it's so girly, and it's just so much fun to do, you know. And you know, that's something we all wear. We love beauty, we love makeup, and we love looking on fleek. So you know, that's what we're gonna do. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped anybody. You know, give me some suggestions on another video I can make. You know, because I'm kind of trying to, you know, do this business series. What do y'all need help with? Your girl's trying to listen. Let me know what you need, okay? All right. I love you, bougie besties. Don't forget to subscribe, to share. You know, I really appreciate you so much. You have a blessed day. Mwah.